Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals -6. The second point has x equals -31, and y equals 8.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals -31, the run is -33. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals -6 to y equals 8, the rise is 14.
Slope is rise divided by run, 14 over -33, which simplifies to -14 over 33. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is -14 over 33, x1 is 2, and y1 is -6.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.